Ooh, this seat is hot. This seat is hot. Ooh, it's burning me. Okay, bro. Okay. Look at him go. So my mama said I got some packages at the house. And I think it's the stuff for my bike. I got some stuff. We gonna go pick them up. Alright, I'm just getting back from my mom's house. I had too many packages. The packages are too big. And they don't really fit in my backpack. So my backpack is wide open right now. I'm gonna check on it. Yeah, see, it's wide open. It won't close. Hopefully they don't fall out. Ooh, I'm gonna get burned. I'm gonna get burned. This dude's got a pipe. He had a whole ass pipe. Come on up. I always get stuck at that light. It never turns green for me. So here's the first package. TST Industries. Got a couple little things. Open it up. Alright. Thank you. 10% off. That's cool. Receipt and the sticker. Alright. I need that. I want this. Get rid of that. Alright, TST Industries. Here's what I got. I got classic, LED license plate light to, mount with these. License plate bracket to mount with the new Fender Eliminator kit. Super simple, basic, clean. Basically gets rid of the whole fender with the license plate and the turn signals and all that. Makes it really clean and nice. Excited for that. And goes with all the hardware. So, throw this back in there. Next, we got MZS tuning. This should be my taillight. Get rid of that. So, also, same thing, super basic. This is the new taillight. I just got off of Amazon, like 45 bucks, I think. Not super expensive. Super simple also. Plug and play for the taillight and the brake lights. For the turn signals, you are gonna have to wire them in. It's not too hard. Yeah, it looks clean too. It's a little bit darker. I think it's gonna look really good. Alright, so here's everything. I got the taillight, I got the Fender Eliminator, license plate bracket, license plate light, and all the hardware. So let's go install this stuff. Gotta move this thing, move it into the shade. Now when I come back, park my bike right there and working on it in the shade. So I got all the parts. I actually need to go to the store and pick up some little wire taps. So that's what I'm going to use to wire in the blinkers for the taillight. Shouldn't be too expensive. They're usually pretty cheap. We're going to go down here to Hollywood Hardware, pick some of those up. Are they closed? Nah, they're open. Must have mask to enter store. You need a mask, you run a helmet. Just need these two. I gotta tell them how much things are here. 85 cents. Alright, thank you. Oh, my gloves. Oh, shit. I left my gloves inside the store. Wow, I really just did that. I can't believe I just did that. I left my gloves in here. Can't believe I just left those in there. I really got on my bike and everything and didn't even realize. That little Caesar smells hella good. Alright, I got me some wire taps. And we should be all good to install this. I'm gonna squeeze in through here, buddy. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Start with taking this off. Okay. Phillips. I'm gonna just try one of these. So what we're gonna be doing here is, I showed you the taillight, replacing that. Also, this is the fender, and with the Fender Eliminator kit, it's gonna make this flush with just the license plate mount. It's gonna look a lot better. And then pull that out, push that, pull it, comes out. This is broken. Well, that sucks. Huh, I wonder how long it's been like that. That just comes out like this. Kind of dirty, kind of gross. Sweet. That comes out. These 4 bolts missing That one, man, whoever had this bike fucking sucked. So I gotta drop this seat off. Means I need, what is that, like an 8? Probably an 8. An 8, which means I need a adapter. Hope that was an 8. Yup. Should just come out. Yep, just like that. Oh, I forgot about that. That's probably a 10. God damn it. Please be a 10. Yes, sir. There she goes. Unplug that. So these, I believe these are both the turn signals. What you gotta do is you gotta lift this little flap. Yep, and it'll slide out. Lift the flap, slide it out. And then this, I believe, is the license plate light that wasn't really held in there too bad. Now they should be able to come out. There's the license plate. There we go. Get rid of this hideous, look how good that looks already. Oh, that looks clean. Now to take this out, boom, you gotta keep these little spacers that are in there. They like to drop out and get lost. I got lucky this time. You gotta take out these. These are the quarter turn ones. Boom. What you need is, you need this to pop out like that. You need this to pop out like that. Come out, and then it should just slide out. Should. Keyword should. There you go. What do I got in here? Those seem kind of big. Kitty! I'm gonna have to snip this. Boom. Now I can take this out. We're just gonna drop this. There you go. There's your taillight. I don't want to ruin this. I'm gonna set this on the seat. Alright, so I got the taillight out. Fender's off. Now I just gotta work on throwing it all back together. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this Fender Eliminator kit. I believe you have to put it together first. Alright, so if you are running the license plate light, specifically the same one I got here from TST, you are going to have to drill a hole. They do include a little spot, shows you exactly where to drill it. I went ahead and did that. I just used a Dremel, pretty simple. Kind of worked it around and made sure it fit, which it does. Pretty good. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to hook this up. What you're going to do, goes on just like this. Take the bolt and a washer, throw it in there. And then you take the locking nut, goes on just like that. Same thing for the other one, that, throw it in there, locking nut. Now it is adjustable, you can kind of move it around. So you don't want to tighten it all the way till you get it exactly where you want it. I want mine to be centered, looks good. That looks pretty good, I think. So now, this is gonna go in here just like this, boom. So you gotta take all of these little arrow guys, stick these all in here like this, like that, and like that, and then like that. Hold it there, line it up down here. Now it's more or less, that's just sitting in there. I'm gonna take the drill, do it super slowly, hold this like this, hold it straight, take a flat head, hold it straight. Super simple. There you go. That already looks way better. Alright, now I'm gonna deconstruct this old thing. Oh bro, look at that. Can you even take that off? I hope so. Bro, that's not gonna come off. Ta-da. It's kind of dirty. Look at that. So it's essentially gonna sit like this. Oh, this is upside down. It's gonna sit like this. So then be mounted like that. The wire will go in through here and then pull that through right up into this hole that I made. Should come out right there. Ba-boom. It's pretty clean. I should clean that more, but I'm not gonna because I'm lazy. Yep, there we go. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, it got stuck. Okay, looks pretty good. Hold it, squeeze it tight. So, there's no way this is gonna fall off because this is, hold on, the sticky tape for one, but it's also gonna be clamped in between here when you just tighten these on. So, we're gonna be all good. Now we have that all in, license plate's up, here's the license plate light, and here's the license plate plug. So I want to do real quick is I'm going to turn power onto the bike. I'm going to take this, and I just want to figure out which one's ground, just to be sure. Alright, this is right side's black, left side's blue. The left side, the black should be the ground, but we're going to find out. Stick that in there, and that in there. And we have power. Cool. Alright, turn this off. I don't want that on. So now I'm gonna just throw this down in here, under here like this. Down in here, all underneath that. And then I'm gonna end up wrapping it up something like this. Alright, so what we're gonna do is it comes with these little connector, little wire tap things. I don't know what these specifically are called. But you take this, the bottom end. I'm gonna start with the ground, slide it over the ground like that. Boom, simple. And I'm gonna take the other one and do the same thing, slide it over that. Here we go. Now both of those are on. Take the other one and just screw it on that as much as you can. The other one, screw it on. Alright, both of those are pretty tight. There's another cap on the top. Now we unscrew that top one. You take your wire, so that's the positive. You take the positive and you just feed it through the top as far as it'll go. Screw it on, and that's not gonna go anywhere. Oh, same thing with the other one. Feed the wire through. Thank you! That was my neighbor's kid. That was funny. Go in as tight as you can. That shouldn't come out at all. That's pretty much it. And we're gonna turn this on. Hope it doesn't catch on fire. Boom. License plate light. Easy. Now we gotta work on this guy. This is pretty simple. We're just gonna let this dangle. And I'm gonna work all these wires through here, like so. Now we need these. Take this off. Take this off. And we need these little rubber grommets. Take these out. Just pops on. Alright, now we're ready to install this. What you want to do is you just got to work it back in here. Here we go. Now it's in somewhat. So everything's in. There's the taillight. License plate's on. And there's the brake. It's kind of not as bright as I was hoping. Getting a little bit of a hyper flash situation. Not too happy about that. I know there are things you could buy, relays and stuff, to fix that problem. I don't know how big of a problem that is to me. It's a lot of work, really expensive. It looks clean though, I like that. So now what we gotta do is just throw it all back together. Then I just gotta slide this in there like that. Now I'm just gonna wrap all these connections with electrical tape. Cool, perfect. Look at that. OEM. That is OEM. Alright guys, so my GoPro actually ran out of footage, so I wasn't able to finish the install, but it's all together. It's all clean. Taillight looks nice. License plate is clean. License plate light with a Fender Eliminator on. It looks nice. Clean. So that's it. That's pretty much the install. The rest of it was just going to be, just the backwards process of what I did before. Super easy. Not hard at all.